While compact mechanical keyboards have remained popular for a while now, it seems like low-profile ones are gradually becoming the new trend. Whether it is gaming or typing in general, these low-profile keyboards are quite satisfying no matter for which purpose you choose to use them. On the review table today, we have the Glimmer wireless keyboard from Eksa. This is a decent low-profile keyboard with multi-platform compatibility and plenty of amazing perks that make it worthwhile. In this video, we will be unboxing, testing, and reviewing it to see whether it is up to the mark. The keyboard comes pretty well packaged with a USB-C to USB-A cable and a user manual underneath the box. We also get to see a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle that will be used to pair up this keyboard with a device of choice. Moving on, let's just admire how sleek yet minimal this keyboard looks. The low-profile design and 65% form factor make this keyboard quite appealing. But what really caught our eye is the lighting grid underneath the keys, which has a gamey vibe to it. There are a total of 5 RGB modes for the bottom backlighting and 18 lighting effects for the switches themselves. To cycle through these effects, all we had to do was hold down the FN key and press the dedicated switches on the right. We could also change the brightness level as well as the lighting speed by toggling the arrow keys. There is also a volume slider on the left that was really satisfying to control the volume with, and 2 dedicated switches on the right to change between Windows and Mac, as well as wireless and wired modes. Talking about switches, that one that we have right here comes with Gateron Red with 50 G of actuation force, 2.5mm travel distance, and keystroke counts that will last for quite a while. Connectivity-wise, this keyboard can be used wirelessly via the included 2.4 Hz dongle or built-in Bluetooth with minimal latency. You can pair it up with multiple devices if you want, and there are a total of 4 dedicated switches to change between these devices. There's also a Type-C to Type-A cable to charge it up while simultaneously using it as well. So, after about 60 days with the Eksa Glimmer keyboard and using it for gaming and regular typing, we have plenty of insight to share about this keyboard. The typing experience on this thing feels really satisfying, as the low-profile switches do a pretty good job registering each keystroke. Whether it was work or play, switching between devices was pretty seamless, given we only had to flick the switch between Windows and Mac. The on-the-fly volume adjustment slider was pretty helpful too, for tweaking the audio whenever needed. Thanks to the Gateron Red switches, gaming was pretty responsive as well, which was close to our Royal Kludge 65% gaming keyboard. However, one thing that we have found limiting is that the wireless connection experience latency from a 6 to 7 meter distance. Also, we totally don't recommend the Bluetooth connection while playing games, as you will be better off with a 2.4 GHz dongle. And lastly, we want to mention that the keyboard lasted for about 30 days on a single charge, which is quite impressive as well. Everything considered, we totally recommend the Eksa Glimmer keyboard for gaming as well as productive tasks. The form factor is pretty decent, and the switch feels pretty responsive. The RGB looks cool enough to blend into almost any kind of setup, so you should definitely give this one a shot. And that was all about the Eksa Glimmer mechanical keyboard. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below to let us know what you think. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.